Okay. Baby's first snow. This is December 25, right? November 26. Ano ka na dito, baby? 1 month? 1 month dito sa US and she has her first snow. Yan. Later, itatapon ko siya sa labas pag kumapal kasi 5 inches daw to. Pagugulungin ko siya hanggang doon sa river sa baba. 5 inches? 5 feet? Are you kidding? Inches? 5 to 8 inches? Are you... Okay, I thought he said 5 feet. Di na tayo makalabas dito for 3 months.
Hello, halo-halo.
Libre halo-halo, be?
Ako.
Okay. Lakad ka doon. Let's see. How do I see the snow that is maybe dito? Face ako sa driveway.
Lamig.
Lamig, naka-Eskimo ka na. Doble-doble.
My hands are getting cold.
Very cold. Ayan.
My shoes is getting wet.
That's okay. Lakad ka.
It is wet.
You know, we're out in the snow. Usually, nobody comes out when it's snowing. We just stay inside the house. Parang penguin lang.
Next time you come out with your gloves.
Usually, when it's snowing, it's not that cold.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Yeah, just wait a while, right?
wait a
Yeah,
while, then
yeah. And then baby loves the snow right now. Wait until it's like 8 inches and make her shovel the snow. That's how Milky ran away. See, lakas. It's really heavy.
Okay.
Okay.
Mamaya naman.
First snow ni baby. Mukhang Eskimo. Oh.